This is Hunter climbing up the stairs.
One stair. No hands. Stairs. This is very bad.
You're making it, babe. Uh-oh. You did!
Bonnie.
Yay! Okay, get back down there because there's presents. Do it one more time.
Okay. Ready?
One more, Hunter, and then I have to go get bath, honey. Oh no! He's getting faster! Faster, Blah! Yeah!
You found something shiny.
I need to sleep off the stairs. Oh, look at you! Okay. That's enough.
Boy, she's a little hard pounding.
Oh no. Hunter, no.
Oh, I hit it right up.
Alright, we're gonna have to get a gate.
Yeah.
Oh no, Ba.
You still videotaping?
Yeah, because I knew he was gonna do that.
Did you ever stop?
No. I can't get on the computer now. Because now he knows.
We'll have to figure out something.
We'll get a gate. Ooh, Baba! You hit your head. Alright, that's enough.